Bohemian goddess like sis, like you see me, you see me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is your girl Sincerely Denisha here, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to achieve these bohemian goddess like sis, like you see me, you see me. Yes. So I was able to achieve this look all on my own, and it took me about 2 days, but that's because I kept taking breaks. If you are consistent, you consistently keep doing it and don't stop, it should only take you about 8 hours. So as I'm sitting home and we're all in quarantine right now because we obviously can't go nowhere but to the grocery store, I was like, man, I'm tired of wearing my Meek Mills. And my man was damn sure tired of me taking my wig off and hanging it on the stand. He looking at him every night. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to do something with my hair. Now, I've had the regular goddess locks before, but I've never had the goddess bohemian. So I'm like, let me try that out. When I tell you, this tutorial you're about to watch is super easy. Super easy. And all you need is the pack of curly hair. You see that? Water Wave by FREETRESS. Braid hair. That's it. So I'm not going to waste no time. I'm going to get right into the video because I know people be impatient. I'm impatient too. I skips all the time to what I want to see. People talk too much. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. So right here you can see I have a lock. I left a lock. I actually left 2 for you guys so I can show y'all how to achieve the look. So the first thing you want to do is take your natural hair. And I say this is the easiest method because you don't need to add on anything. Like, I don't need extra. You're going to take your natural hair and you're going to put some product in it. I'm going to use gel because all the hair stores is closed right now because we're in the quarantine, and that's all I got. So I'm going to just put a little bit of gel at the root just to make it look very neat. And then you want to take your natural hair and you want to just put it in a plait. So I'm natural. And I find that sometimes plaiting my hair causes a lot of tension. So what I do is I plait the root. So as you can see, I'm putting in the plait. So I create a plait like, I say for like, not even halfway, 3 seconds, and I stop. Here I begin to twist. Because then when it's time to take it out, and that's just a regular twist. When it's time to take it out, it's quick and easy. Like, all you gotta do is unravel the twist and then braid at the root. The braid is at the root instead of taking a comb and going through it. It's just too time consuming. Remember, we want to make this quick and easy. So we just gonna twist this to the root, to the end. Just like this. I'm gonna add a little bit more gel just to lock it at the end, seal it, lock, whatever. So now you have a twist. Simple twist. See? So now that you have your twist, you're going to take your hair, which it comes looking like this, and you're going to untangle it. So you just want to do it very, very slow. Just take your time. I mean, you don't gotta be as slow as molasses, but you want to take your time, because if you don't take your time, what will happen is it will tangle. And trust me, I had to, learn the hard way. So once you have it good enough, like open like this is fine. You're going to take your crochet hook and you're going to put your crochet hook through your braid. So just like that. And you're going to put your hair on the latch, close the water wave here, and through. And it's just like if you was doing like crochet in your hair. But then once you get it through, you want to take the loop, because there'll be an open space, and you want to hold one side and you want to pull one out. And this part can be a bit tricky, but you just have to, you know, feel for it and not be too rough. So you want to pull one side out. So as you can see, I got two sides now. It's actually through the braid completely, and it's two sides. So what's next is you want to make one side a little bit longer than your natural hair, just a little bit, and then the other side should be super long. The longer side is what we're going to use to wrap. So just like that, you got one side short, one side long. You hold the long side along with your plait, which my plait is right here, and you take I hope I said that right, not backwards. You hold the short side along with your plait, and you take the longer side and you just want to wrap it. And as you're wrapping it, you want to make sure it's open. That's why we open it in the beginning, to save ourselves that struggle of getting it knotted or anything like that. And you just want to wrap it. Let me see if I can get a little closer for y'all to see. And as you're wrapping, you want to continue to hold this so that it doesn't unravel. So you're holding, passing through, wrapping, and just wrapping it. So this is a bit repetitive, so I'm going to speed the camera up. Because I'm just doing the same thing. Sometimes it can get to a point where it's like starting to try to uniform back up, and all you want to do is just bring up the bottom part and unravel it the opposite way and open it up. So I just unraveled it and opened it up because it tried to close up on me. And then you want to keep wrapping. So I usually wrap till about I get my hair covered. So my hair stops here, and then my hair stops here, and then the braiding hair stops a little longer. So I usually stop wrapping after that, my hair. So I'm gonna keep wrapping. So once my hair is completely covered, so now as you can see, my hair is completely covered. The only thing that you can see is the crochet hair, and it's really, really short. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna hold that piece of the crochet hair, and you're gonna hold the shorter piece, and you're gonna split the longer one in half. Which should be a little bit easier because you've already, you know, breaking it apart. So now we have, and it's okay if it gets tangled, as long as it's not too knotted. So now we have two sides. You have three sides actually. So now you have three sides. You have the short side, and then you split the long side in half. So you're going to next take the longer length. So as you can see, this one is longer, and put that with the shorter side, and use the shorter length and wrap that. So I just took the piece that was longer, and I'm actually gonna pull more. So I took the piece that was longer and I put that with the shorter hair, and I took the other piece that wasn't as long, and now I'm wrapping that. So then you're just gonna wrap.
piece is completely gone.
So now I've completely covered the short piece. And I feel like this is in the back. I'm going to go down a little bit more. Just a little bit more. So now I've finished covering the short piece. And now I'm going to take the longer piece, which is now short. And I'm going to start wrapping upward. So you want to wrap going up now, because this is the part where you start to seal it to close it. So now we're wrapping going upward. And I'm gonna put it against the whiteboard. We're wrapping, but we're going up the braid now instead of down. So we're going back up what we already wrapped. So we're wrapping on top of the wrapped. And as I wrap, I like to take some nail glue and keep it and wrap on the nail glue so that way it sticks. Just keep wrapping up. And honestly, you don't have to use the nail glue until you get to like a tiny piece. Sometimes I be just trying to make sure it's like staying. So again, we're going to use the nail glue. We'll put it on the twist and we're just going to wrap up. That's it, just wrap up. And it definitely gets tacky on your fingers, but I find that you could get it off of your skin using a nail file. Because again, this is just regular nail glue that I got from Amazon. So you're just going to wrap and continue to wrap up. So now I'm at the end. I'm about to close it, and I put more nail glue, and then I'm just going to palm roll it at this point and let it go. There you have it. And what I like to do is take my scissors, because I don't really like straggly ends, and I'll just snip them. Snip away, snip. So now it looks like this. So I'm gonna do one more for you guys so you can see how easy this is. So again, you take your plait, your one plait girl, and you take your hair, which is detangled already because I was trying to make sure I had this all together. It's my day too, I told y'all that, so I'm trying to get this done. And right now it's about 11 p.m. maybe 11:30 p.m. in Philadelphia. So where did I put my crochet hook? Up.
Sitting on it. Big booty problems. All right.
So again, we're gonna take our one strand of our own hair that was braided. This is already pre-braided. Take our crochet hook, latch it through your braid. Put the hair on the hook, close the latch, and pull through. Then we got the two sides again. We're going to pull one side so that we have two. Again, level it up to where it's like longer than your natural hair, but not too much longer. So right here is good for me. And then you're just going to go in and wrap it.
Just go and wrap. Wrap and go. I know too much.
Remember to open it up, honey, as you're doing it, because what will happen if you don't open it up, it will unravel at the root and it will be lumpy bumpy. I mean, it's not supposed to look uniform, but it's not supposed to look like it's falling apart either. Okay, so we back at the short side, long side. Then we're gonna pull it apart. Take the longer length, and at this point they kind of both look the same. So I'll just take the one closer to me and put the other one with the shorter piece and wrap that. And remember, we're wrapping until the end, the short end disappears. So the shorter piece is gone, and as you can see, it's only that longer piece I added on. And that means we're going to start wrapping upward. So now we're moving up the twist, wrapping up the twist. And as we're wrapping up, we want to be sure to add the nail glue to lock it in place so it doesn't unravel. As you're going. And then I palm roll it. And I feel like because I didn't do that again. And there you have it, your lock. So it's really pretty simple and pretty easy for beginners or people. Extra details on the hair. I ordered 6 packs of the FREETRESS water wave from Amazon, and I could provide the link below. It comes with about 14 pieces in a pack. So I'll show you what it looks like. It comes just like this. And there's about 14 pieces inside. And you just take it apart, take it out, and you know, do exactly the steps I told you. And you'll have this look. So that concludes my video. I just wanted to show y'all this beautiful style. And I'm a side part girl, so let me get it together. Yeah, this beautiful style that I achieved on my own. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like me to do a look on my makeup look, leave a comment below. I'll do that as well. Your girl sincerely, Denisha here, and I'm logging out.